Check this out. This water feature is amazing. It's one of the best stream waterfalls I've ever built. You can be the judge of that. Look at the cascade on this. Like Niagara. Coming down. You probably can't even hear my voice that strong. Oh my God. The thing's coming down into a pond. This way. You got a middle zone also with water cascading right there. Coming down. We also have a left side. Big rock on this one. It's about 7 feet tall. Coming cascading down like that. Now, go this way. Now check out the rest of this. It's amazing. It's a stream and it's got pools and stuff like that. Meandering water everywhere. Here we go. Poof. What y'all think of that? Let's go check it out. Uh-oh, what do I see over there? A dinosaur. Oh my God. Let's go check him out. Am I crossing path? Bonk, bonk, bonk. Oh, that's cool. That's a cool statue. Back to the stream. Check this out. Got water meandering everywhere on this thing. All the way down. Look at the speed on this. Coming down like that. You got like mini rapids here. It's going. There's a little catch pool right here. Everything's got LED lighting and all that. I really like this cross path that I made. You get over to that, put a bench over there, something like that. It's really cool. You know the catch pool over here? Boulders. Big moss rocks in the back. I like that retaining wall in the back. Like that. Looks cool. Great rock. A lot of crunch. And then it goes down into a pondless pit. Just like that. Big pit. Oversized pit. Taking a lot of water right there. So going up like this. You can do the walkthrough. You got the boots on to do it. Go. Coming up like that. All the way up here. Wow, this is so loud. Look at that cascade. That's how we do it at Pond Paradise Designs. You can too have an extreme water feature like this one. Big waterfall, stream, pond, we do it all, okay? Big, small, whatever you guys want, we can do it. Custom water features the whole way. Robert Riccardo, the Waterfall Wizard of Pond Paradise, checking out.